I'm sad because I wanted to be a boy, but then it turned out to be a girl. That makes me sad.
Huwag ka nang masad. Okay na. It's okay na. Huwag mo hindi mo na ba siya love pag hindi siya, boy? We still love this. Bakit baby girl siya? We still love the baby? Hug mo na.
But it is not a boy.
Nagkamali si Happy Costura. It's okay. Love mo pa din.
Malay mo naman yung baby ni Mami Marie maging boy. O, di sa kanya na lang yung baby brother mo na isa pa. May isa ka pang brother bear kay Mama.
Oh, it's okay, Happy.
O, baka maging boy yan.
It's okay. Are you sad? Why?
She's gonna cry again.
No. Don't be sad.
Happy na lang.
Game.
Scramble, oh.
Para
Marie,
happy ka na.
sali ka dito sa
It's
akin.
big for a girl. Baby
3,000
sister.
pesos.
Diba?
Hold mo mabuti, anak ka.
Nalulungkot ako na broken hearted si Happy sa gender reveal na to. Kasi kung alam nyo lang guys talaga, araw-araw niya pong kinakausap yung tiyan ko at gabi-gabi niya pong pinagdadasal sa Panginoon na please po Papa Jesus, make mommy's baby a baby boy or a baby Dodong kasi gustong-gusto niya nga daw talaga na magkaroon ng baby brother si Dodong. Dahil siya daw, meron na daw siyang bebang. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, ganun talaga anak, the Lord will not give us what we want, but He will for sure give us what we need. Kaya naniniwala ako na hindi man ito ang gusto namin sa ngayon, pero may trust naman ako kay Lord na may dahilan kung bakit babae ang pang-fourth baby ko. Are you still having big emotions? You think when you're calm down na, magiging happy ka na? But do you still accept the baby kahit hindi siya naging boy? Accept mo pa rin siya, maging sibling? Do you think? Happy? You don't know? Ayaw mo ba sa baby kasi naging girl siya? You want the baby, but you just said that it is not to be a boy. Are you to be a girl?
Yeah, I just want to be, but I don't want to come down. I want to just happy.
Happy ka na ngayon? Okay, then thank you. You're just having a big emotions when you're not. Because you expected a boy. Okay, it's fine. It's okay to feel sad sometimes, or even mad, or angry, but it's okay, it's fine. I'll be happy for you.
Ako, Runda. Ay, room mo? Alis mo na sa room to?
I was really sad because Bebang has me and Dodong doesn't have a brother. Kawawa naman siya. Along lang siya. I want to mommy on his room to tell my feelings.
Sad ka pa din talaga?
No.
Why are you sad?
Because of the baby.
You don't like baby girl?
I only like a baby boy.
But don't was already a baby boy.
But I said to mommy Samuel I wanted to be a boy.
But Papa Jesus gave us a baby girl.
But I don't want to be a baby girl.
But we have to accept what Jesus gave us, di ba po?
But he always know.
He what?
He guessed.
He guessed?
Yeah.
Yeah, and He gave us a baby girl. And we should be happy, girl or boy, as long as the baby is very healthy and very cute. Alam mo yung humikab siya pero ayaw niyang ma-open kasi sa salita ako. Nilaki niya.
Ano ni Anto?
Oh, sabi na your antok na eh. Don't be sad, no? Bata ka pala, marunong ka na mag-adjust na... Diba sabi niya, humikab siya sa ilong. Hindi ko siya happy ko na si Sadie. But bawal ma-stress si mami ka. Do not show her again that you're sad. She might be sad. And then baka ma-stress siya, ma-stress yung baby. Pag baby girl na yun, okay na sa'yo maging sad, maging stress yung baby. Oh, do you want the baby to be stressed? No, di ba? Oh, you still love the baby even if it's a baby girl. Di ba po? No, Tandy, are you happy that it's a girl?
Yes, I'm happy.
Oh. If it's a boy, are you still happy?
Yes.
Oh. You cannot move on from that pa. It's okay. Magiging okay ka din, di ba po? You just need to sleep and eat. Pag nakita mo yung baby, baka makita na, baby girl, kamukha ni Happy. Oh, di ba? Baka kamukha mo yung baby talaga. Kasi sibling yun eh.
But I want to pakamukha si Bebang.
Ay, gusto mo kamukha ni Bebo? Sige, Si Bebang na lang yung kamukha. Oh, ganito na lang. Paano? Kapag girl pa rin siya, pero sobrang kamukha niya si Dodong. Ang cute siguro ni Dodong nun, kasi parang girl si Dodong. Di ba, Fanny?
Hindi, girl si Dodo.
Hindi, pag yung baby girl ngayon, yung nasa siya ni Mami Kat, naglabas na siya, paglabas niya dito sa Earth, oh, biglang kamukha pa niya ni Dodong. So, makikita mo, hala Dodong, mukha kang girl na, ikaw na kamukha ni Dodong, pero girl.
But Dodong's not a girl. It's a boy.
He's a boy, yeah. But the baby right now in Mami Kat's tummy is a girl.
But
Paano paglabas ang look-alike si Dodong? Look-alike lang.
But look like Dodong, girl boy. I don't like girl boy.
So you don't like the baby to look like Dodong. Who do you like? Beba.
Beba.
Okay. Okay, bye, sige, bye-bye. I love you. Don't be sad, no. Oh, parang maniwala ko mo, hindi ka na-sad, smile ka nga. Smile ka, isa lang. Smile ka, isa lang na. Sad ka ba siya? Nag-cake-in pala ata si Happy.